If you love crispy, cheesy snacks, you're in for a real treat. Today, I'm going to be making crispy cornflake coated halloumi in the air fryer. It's golden, crunchy, and absolutely delicious. And the best part, it's quick, it's easy, and needs very few ingredients. I hope you're all well. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. So let's dive straight in, get our halloumi prepped and coated, ready to go in the air fryer. As with all these things, adjust the quantities depending on the people you're feeding. I've got a block of halloumi here. Just get your knife and we're going to slice it into sizes. You might get some bits that break up. That's absolutely fine. Don't worry. And just slice it again. So you're getting sort of fries. And that's it. Halloumi is done. Just wipe that down. And then we're going to bring in some flour, some egg, and then here I've got cornflakes, and all I've done is put them into a Ziploc bag and just crush them up a little bit. Get your halloumi, put it in there. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. If you want to swap that up, you can put some chili powder, just a bit in there for seasoning, a little bit of pepper, and some salt. And just give that all a good coating in there. And what I've done is in the bowl here is I've left the juice or the liquid that sort of comes with the halloumi. It's basically like a salted water. It just helps this flour to stick to the halloumi. So coat that all up. Okay, halloumi is coated. Next, into your egg wash. Again, just make sure it's all nicely coated. Guys, at this stage, just like to thank you for watching. If you enjoy the content, you want to see more recipes like this, please do hit the subscribe button. Please do also like, share, comment. Love to hear from you, especially if you've got something you'd like me to cook. Please do let me know down in the comments, and I will do my best to recreate it for you. And that's it, just carry on. Okay, they're all done. Let's move our flour, move the production line over, and then these are going to go now straight into our cornflakes. Okay, so all the halloumi is now in our bag. Just seal that up and give it all a good toss around in that cornflake mix. Just be careful because the halloumi does tend to break up, as we saw when we were chopping it. So just try and be gentle, but make sure it's nicely coated. And that does look pretty good to me. I'll see you over at the air fryer. To place them onto the racks, make sure they're nice and evenly spaced apart. And we're going to cook this on standard air fry mode at 180 for 5 minutes. I'll check it. If it needs a little bit longer, I'll put it on for a touch longer. While we're waiting for our halloumi to finish, I'm just going to make up a little dipping sauce for it. And I particularly like this one. I think it goes really well. And get this mayonnaise out. A little bit of mayonnaise and some sweet chili sauce. There's something about the sweetness with this and the cornflakes and the saltiness of that halloumi that is a little bit special. So just a good dollop of that. Just give it a mix in and we'll be ready now to plate up our halloumi. So I'll see you in a second. So there we have it, my crispy cornflake halloumi sticks or fries or whatever you want to call them. I've got some of the couple of those little off-cut bits, so I'm going to use those, dip it into our little sweet chili mayo. Can you hear the crunch? They are excellent. I've just got to finish that one off, can't leave it. So good. And so easy. You've got that saltiness from the halloumi, the sweetness of the cornflakes, and then you've got that sweetness and the hint of chili in that dip. It just works really, really well. Guys, it's another one of my short ones for you today. Quick, easy air fryer recipe. Hope you've enjoyed it. I really appreciate you watching through to the very, very end. Don't worry about the quantities. As always, I'll put those down below in the description. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.